On today's virtual tour, we blow out walls, we raise the ceiling, and we show you white oak rift cabinets. Hey everybody, Scott Monday with Kitchen and Bath Crate, and today's virtual tour is Kitchen Crate Custom Fairhaven Place in Modesto. Really excited to show you this project. It includes complete new cabinets. We actually blew out a non-load bearing wall, raised a ceiling, and did a lot of other things on this project I think you're going to be excited to see. So let's jump right into some of these details. Now, one of the first things you noticed when you walked into this newly constructed project is the fact that it's so much more open. We completely removed this non-bearing wall and also raised the ceiling area, and it created a whole new space. Not only did it create a space from a visual and a feel perspective, but the circulation of the kitchen is much better. In fact, this customer was telling us that right after the holidays, they hosted a few events and they could actually use their kitchen to its fullest. So some main takeaways from this project: obviously you're going to see a new island put in place. The peninsula has gone away. You're going to see that the cooktop area and the sink area kind of swapped sides, and now the sink looks out over the living room area on this really cool new peninsula, and it's just a really useful space if you're entertaining. People can sit at the little bar area and all sorts of things like that. Another thing I want to point out is the unique finishes on this job. So those finishes include new custom cabinets that are a white rift oak grain pattern on the cabinet boxes, the doors and drawers. And this is a mid-century modern, which is all the rage these days. So you're going to see a nice contemporary look. Another piece of this on these quartz countertops, which is a Bianco Venetino quartz, you're going to see a zero reveal countertop edge. So literally these countertops sit flush right on top of the cabinets and just create kind of a seamless, clean, once again, mid-century modern look. Of course, we did all new lighting, all new plumbing fixtures, all new appliances, and once again, kind of created some cool new spaces, a really nice new pantry area, and a really useful coffee bar area with floating shelves above. So a lot going on in this project. Just wanted to give you the virtual tour. For more information on this job, go ahead and visit kbcrate.com or give us a call, 888-995-7996. Thanks so much.